Hey everybody, it's Ryan Chambers again with the Mortgage Minute with Midwest Capital Mortgage. Today we're going to talk about specifically closing a loan in less than 21 days, which is what we do here at Midwest Capital Mortgage. And here's how we work with you directly to get that done and get the 21-day process and the 21-day close happening. So we all have to abide as mortgage lenders by a set of guidelines of federal laws, which are called TRID, which is the Truth in Lending RESPA Integrated Disclosure. But we'll talk about that kind of briefly in overview. By rule and by law and by statute, basically there has to be about 14 business days, not calendar days, business days for a loan to really go through and have all the disclosure timing requirements. And it all starts with just me getting your application. We go through every detail. We talk about your loan in very specific ways, what we're going to need, hurdles we're going to have, overcome, obstacles, anything like that. From that, I'm going to be able to figure out exactly what list of documents I'm going to need from you. So we're going to send out your application and a disclosure package to you right after I take your application in an electronic format that you can e-sign, and then that starts the clock for us and you for that 21-day timing requirement to happen. At that time also, once I send you your application and your disclosure package, we're going to send you a list of exact things we need, or we'll talk about it over the phone very specifically. You'll send that to us. Once we get that really quick, we're going to go to the back end. We're going to order things like your appraisal, your title. We're going to get your homeowner's insurance working. We're going to get all of your analysis done on the underwriting side of things so we can get that package perfect and ready to go to the underwriter, which on average we get that to that underwriter about that fourth day in their hands for a perfect loan package. We get conditions back from that underwriter. Then we work with you if we have to absolutely bother you for anything. That's when we're going to ask you for any more documents. Otherwise, we're going to try to get it all done on our back end and then start the process. Then we're going to send you out something called a loan estimate for when we lock your interest rate in, and then another business day or two after that, we're going to send out something called a closing disclosure, which is our first document to get you ready and towards the steps of closing. It's going to have all of your final numbers broken down on it. And in that time, we're working with the underwriting, we're working with the back end on the title company to get those numbers balanced. And all of this is happening by about the 9th or 10th day of your actual loan on the calendar. So once that's all done, we send you out this thing called a closing disclosure. You're going to electronically acknowledge that as well. And then from there, you have to wait 3 more business days to close your loan. So that gives us a few more days to finalize anything with the title company, make sure everything's ready to go so that your loan is ready for closing day, and we're all within 21 days or less on the calendar. So that's how we close loans fast at Midwest Capital Mortgage.